Even though the second-gen S60 didn't go around winning comparison tests left and right, the general consensus has been that it's a well-built, safe and good-looking car. Of course, these types of realizations came nearly a full decade ago, as the predecessor to the all-new 2019 S60 was unveiled in late 2009 and entered production at the beginning of 2010. Those were different times, as this particular segment was all about the A4/C Class/3 Series trio. By the time Volvo upgraded the S60 in 2014, BMW and Mercedes had already introduced all new generations of the 3 Series, F30, and C-Class, W205, so it was about time Volvo treated us to an all-new compact executive saloon. To be fair, the 2014 update was quite substantial, as the S60 received a new hood, new front fenders, larger grille, new headlights, new LED DRLs, a new infotainment display and quite a lot of new safety gear, like the new radar-based blind spot information system. Out with the old. Even with its upgraded exterior, the old S60 struggles to look as elegant or as imposing as the all-new model. The latter, of course, adheres to the Swedish automaker's latest design language, previously applied to the flagship S90 saloon as well as the rest of the range. The new S60's front end is sharp and elegant, whereas the older car looked a bit bland, almost as if it was trying not to get noticed. Things do get better for the old S60 as you move along its profile and realize that it all builds up to those muscular rear arches and dynamic-looking rear. The top-heavy reverse L-shaped taillights still look good to this day, whereas the new model's rear end with the lobster tail lamps is a little controversial.